Hello, this is Mr. Senavani. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Fusion 360 from Autodesk. Step 1, go to the address bar and type in autodesk.com/education. Okay? It's going to take you to this site, and the key is you want to see this picture of a woman examining something. It's like a 3D print or something. You'll know you're in the right spot if you're there. You go up to the top right corner and click on this little silhouette and go to Products and Services. Once the Products and Services page loads, you're going to scroll down and you just want to find Fusion 360 all by itself. Don't get confused by the other ones. The one you want is just straight up Fusion 360 and hit download. It takes a few minutes to download for me here at home. At school, it might be a little closer. There it is, the client downloader. So you click on that, and that will start the install process. Your client downloader might show up at the bottom of the screen or at the top, depending on what browser you're using and how you have it set up. Okay, now my setup's almost complete. You can download this at home and get the free software at home. I just want you to know that the school network license doesn't update as frequently as your home license will. And so you'll have this problem where you can't open files that you worked on at home at school unless you update the school computer to the same version as your home computer. We're looking into how to disable auto updates, but at this time it looks like you can't really do that. But a little deeper investigation might be worthwhile. Once it gets done with this process, it might ask you to sign in again. Just go with the flow, and it should open up Fusion for the first time or the second time or whatever time it is for you. In my next video, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the work window, show you where all the stuff is, and maybe even start talking about some hotkeys to expedite your processes. So the setup just finished, and now it's opening Fusion for the first time. It is asking me to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Don't be alarmed. It opens up Microsoft Edge. Might be the only time you ever use that program. I did have my password saved from before. As you make your account set up, you have to make a password. So I think we're going to land on the work window and be ready to start CADing. Okay.